Yeah, well, Excelsior is a growing program, restoring the glory days. Been a while, and so there's a gap in the history, in the experience of the students. But of course, the backing of the program right now would be the persons who were there during the glory years. So the support is strong, the commitment is there. We're the top co-ed school in the city for sports. There are no other schools that are better than us. And that is a message that we also need to get out. If you want to balance your academics and your athletics, it is the best co-ed school in the city for that. So we hopefully will see more of the students and their parents choosing to continue their development at Excelsior High School.
People really tend to feel like being a teenager, especially one that does track and field, it's easy balancing schoolwork and training and competition. It's really a hard task. So when people are like even teachers, they think, oh, because we miss assignments, it's our fault, or oh, we're not work focused, we put track and field before work. It's really difficult, but if you put your priorities straight, you can balance it pretty well. But if you don't have a focused mind, then you're going to lose track of one.
Well, as a team, everyone has personal goals, but on the day, we have a team goal and everyone has to play their part to achieve the team goal. So just show up and deliver on the day.
For instance, Carifta Trials last year, it was very hard, but they were with me. I was battling with some injuries, but they told me, oh, Michael, just brush off that. Coach deal with it, do what I need to do. Made the Carifta team last year, executed at personal best. And then, pertaining to this year now, we're just going out there, we just enjoy ourselves, teammates and everyone.
Because we build a band, a strong band. So yeah, it comes mostly off the track more than on the track.
If that band should break, boy, I don't know where we're there right now. But once the band, it stays stick together, do what we need to do, execute on the field, just come out victorious.
I'm feeling very great, very focused, and very determined to do what I set out to do.
We have to take it in its totality. I mean, you have ups and downs, and we go to CHAMPS with what we have. We don't go with what we don't have. And so what we have is really what we will focus on. It's probably my third season not doing a points tally going into CHAMPS because it doesn't really concern me that much. I'm more focused on us doing what we have the potential to do, and then we see where that places us on the table. Kind of keep a little tunnel vision, not focusing too much on what the competitors are doing, but really just trying to see how we can maximize our students with their participation and see where that places us. And it's been fun. I think we should, take the credit for changing the whole atmosphere of CHAMPS in moving it from the focus of win, 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 and only those who can win have something to say, but we've brought the other or the sub-themes of CHAMPS. We talk about top 10, we talk about full 100, the team that scored the 100 points. We talk about top 5, and we've made those things real goals that people can set, achieve, and leave CHAMPS feeling accomplished, just like the team that won. And so we've really given teams a purpose within this big championships, and we have our own purpose, and we're pursuing that.
As my coach has said before, all the work has been done from September till now. So right now, all we're set out to do is just do our best at the championship and make our goal.
Corporate is a two-team competition. We have a girls team and a boys team, and the girls team have a different objective from the boys team. We go to corporate to win corporate. On the girls side, we don't push on the boys side. We recognize the depth of the teams within corporate. The best teams nationally are in corporate. So we gauge ourselves, and we have a more measured strategy going into corporate. We are good with where we're at, and we will be competitive nationally as we were at corporate, and we're ready.
Well, you can expect a lot of things, like a gold medal, and further on throughout the season, like maybe the pen relays, bringing home the plaque down by Excelsior.
I'm looking forward to my personal event, the long jump, Class 1 boys. Boy, I have a goal, but can't really too say it, but I have a goal to go out there and execute properly. And then for my next, the 4x1 class 1 boys, it will be very nice, very special. Look out for Excelsior.
400-meter hurdles. I would definitely say it's a challenge I enjoy because it's my preferred event. The 400-meter hurdles, in my own words, I feel less lactic than the 400 and I feel like it takes less work. Yes, it excites me, yes, because to see somebody going that fast around a full lap of barriers, it's very exciting, and my athlete that I look forward to is Rai Benjamin.
Most people don't really give us the right ratings because we're like in the top 5 for like the past 5 years or so or more. So people don't really give us the real thing that we should be getting.
Excelsior people can walk into stadium big and bold in their gear. Nobody can say to them, take it off. They can lose their voice for their team, and they can leave feeling good that they came, they saw the Eagles, and the Eagles performed very well. So Excelsior people will be very proud.
Yeah, mommy little prayers them. Every time I go out there, I always bust a little prayer when I'm on camp. She always say, yo, Michael, remember to pray. So many times I would have sent some voice note for the team them. I'm just say, yo, man them, sit down and listen to the voice note. Mommy pray for the team and everything.
They can join any argument in any office, in any community. They can talk about track and field and nobody can say anything to them. And that's what we wanted to do, to really make us part of the conversation and make a difference in the championships, and we will make a difference.